Hi, Liz Beavers, your embroidery territorial manager for the team here at Graphic Solutions Group. We're here live at Printed United in Las Vegas, Nevada. What we're showing you is some of the fantastic machines we have and we offer from ZSK, made in Germany. A lot of savings that we're offering here at the show. The first machine I want to show you is our ZSK Sprint 8. Everything comes complete. It comes with the fast color change motor, quick change going from tubulars to cap. Beautiful machine for high production, one-offs. Maybe you have an online business. This is the one for you. The other machine that we have here at Printed United is our Sprint 7 ZSK made in Germany. This has 18 needles, so you have plenty of colors. Great machine for somebody who has a boutique shop, or maybe you have a lot of different customers coming in, less color changes that you're having to make with your threads. Sprint 7 is going to be perfect for you. We have a lot of machines on a single head ZSK to offer, from entry level all the way up to our dynamic Sprint 8. But we need to have a conversation to find out which machine is perfect for you, and we have a lot of savings that we're offering on our ZSK machines. Another great option is going to be our ZSK Racer multi-head machines for those higher output designs and orders that you're getting in. The ZSK Racer comes in a series of 4, 6, 8, up to 12 heads. So depending on how much volume you have, you might want to consider even a multi-head unit. Again, this is where talking with us personally, we can guide you and help put you in the right machine, perfect for your production output. We have so many different options to choose from, so many specials going on. If you're not able to come to the show, click the link below. Give us a call and let us show you all the savings that you can have. Find the great machine, perfect for you, and let's make some deals today.